Welcome to AI Jumble. Today, we're diving into the world of Atomica AI. A US-based startup that helps doctors provide the best patient care possible using the power of AI, robotics, and 3D printing through a rapidly growing ecosystem. Delving into the features. Atomica's dental suite transform your practice with Atomica digital solutions, enabling a fully digital workflow: scan, plan and print. You will get apps for every patient indication: implant solutions, splint solutions, orthodontic solutions, restorative solutions. Here's the implant planner product. Experience the ease and precision of guided surgery. Prosthetic-driven implant planning. Grow your practice with in-house design and production. Offers same-day dentistry. Here you will get the full range of indications: tooth-supported, bone-supported and mucosa-supported. With groundbreaking technology at the core, Atomica is ushering in a new era of patient care that is more personalized, precise, and affordable. The innovation creates life-changing solutions that enable people to live more active, fulfilling lives. To learn more about their product offerings, visit their website with the link given in the description. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to get listed on AI Jumble. And we are more than just a channel. We've created a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts, developers, researchers, and industry professionals like you. By subscribing, you become a part of this dynamic community where you can exchange ideas, share insights, and collaborate on AI projects.